Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy J2 Funny back with another video. You feel what I'm saying? And as y'all can already tell by the title, we secured the bag. You feel what I'm saying, bro? We got the damn, yo, we got the PS5 right here, man. We just gonna unbox it. Yo, make sure y'all like, yo, I gotta tell y'all this at the beginning because y'all don't even stay around to the end. Like, comment, subscribe. Link in the description to my Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch. My Instagram's a meme page. My Twitter is where y'all can interact with me at. And my wait, what's the last one? Oh, my Twitch is where I want to start streaming. So go follow me over there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna be doing unboxing on the floor, you know what I'm saying? Like, my table's type crowded, so we're gonna be on the floor with it, like, chill, like, don't valet my shit. But yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, so this is the front of the box. Yeah, you know, it's a little messy because of the rain, but you know, this is the front of the box. The side, the back, the other side. Now, I'm recording this on my phone, so like, you know, it's gonna be a little wobbly and all that, but you know, it's the iPhone 11, so you know, the camera quality is good. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's just get, goddamn. Let's just, you know, we're gonna get it on this side, and then we're gonna try to shimmy it out. Hey, there we go. We got it. And we just gonna pull it out like that. So here, there we go. You know what I'm saying? There we go. It's just all white, nothing too special. Oh, and as y'all can tell by the color of the box, it's the regular version, like the one with the disc. So let's open this up right here, man. Oh my goodness. Oh man. All right, we're gonna, I don't even know. I'm not even looking into the camera to make sure I'm like, y'all can see it right, but we gonna try to shimmy it out like that. Oh, damn, I just opened it. All right, well, I wanted to try to shimmy it out, but I guess it's already too late for that. Y'all already saw the controller. Oh my God, bro, this controller is so dang beautiful. This controller is so damn beautiful, bro. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Y'all, I'm gonna just take it out, bro. This controller is, it's not as big as I expected it to be. I like this, bro. Like, it looks like the Vita. I mean, the PSP. Y'all remember the PSP, right? It feels like it too, bro. Like, this controller is so beautiful. I can't wait to, I don't even really play with vibrations on, but like, I'm gonna like start playing with vibrations. Ooh, y'all see that? Wait, did it make a sound? I swore it made a sound, but like, the buttons look like if y'all had a PSP, y'all would know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is beautiful, man. This is what is this? This is the power cable. It's not, notice it's not it's the same regular how it is every year. It's not like a brick like how like the Xbox has. We're gonna put that right there, put this there. What's in here? The HDMI. Oh no, this is the stand for it. Like, you could put it like how it is on the box. You could have it like that, or you could stand it up like that. So this is the thing to clip it to stand it up. And this is the HDMI 1, so y'all would be able to like see it in 4K. Mind you, you would need a TV that supports 4K. There's the baby. But you would need a TV that supports 4K and that you can watch it in like, what you would call it, the frame rate is 120. Like, if you like, it needs to do both in order for you to see it. If it's not, if you don't have, if the monitor or the TV can't have 4K and 120 hertz at the same time, then you're not watching it in 4K, bro. All right, yeah, I had to use two hands to take this out, but this is this console. I'm gonna try to shimmy it out like that. Hold on, like, I don't want it to, oh man, I'm gonna shimmy this out as well. Oh my goodness, bro. Which way is, all right, this is upright. This way is upright. And, oh, I didn't know it was wrapped like that. If I knew, I would have just unwrapped it like that. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm finna nut. Bro, this joint is, golly, bro. This joint is huge. This joint is huge. This joint is mad massive. Look at this sleek look, bro. This sleek look. As you can see, like right here, that's the oh, y'all niggas could see my phone. That's the USB-C. There's the I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is the, which one is this? This is the eject button and the power button. Gonna twist it around and look at the back. And this is the two USB, I mean wait, oh my god, two USB cables, the LAN cable, the HDMI, and then that's for the power. So yeah, let's go, and I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm also like gonna show y'all how big this is, standing next to my PS4 that I have over there. The PS4, these are all my, oh, some of those are. There goes my two accounts. That's my man's Makai. Shout out my man's Makai to make him my thing, because he's type ugly. Oh man. Goodbye to the PS4. God damn, y'all can see all in my crib. But bye PS4. Bye, man. Alright, so this is my PS4. It's it's mad dusty actually. It's the original, had it since way back. But look, this is the size comparison. The PS4 next to the PS5. It's huge. Now here, I'm about to show y'all the PS5 controller next to the PS4 controller. Like, it's not the original PS4 controller, but like, like, it's just, it's not that big of a difference. But I mean, well, the size isn't that big of a difference, but yeah. All right, so here's where I had to put my PS5 for now until I have a better place to put it. So we're gonna just turn it this way and press the power button. Look at those lights, bro. Oh my gosh. This system is amazing, dude. Look at it coming up. Nah, bro, I don't like y'all niggas can see inside my crib like that though, but I wonder if the controller is already synced with it, or do we have to, it's flickering. All right, so it's not already synced. Bro, look at, bro, damn, bro, I didn't get to show y'all. It's only because I don't like y'all seeing inside my crib and all, but like, yeah, I need to plug it in. Hold on. I was just about to ask if Sony included a charging cable. Like, I mean, I know they're going to, like, but like, I was like, I could not find it, but I just found it in the box. Yeah, I'll be right back. I don't know if y'all heard that, but Shorty was speaking to me. They're saying it in different languages too. Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna do all this setting up, and I'm gonna be right back. All right, so here we I pressed it. Update now. A new version for the controller. I just updated the system. Now I gotta update the controller. Alright, so I kind of got a little carried away after I finished, like, did the settings and all. I went and I came and I already started downloading 2K21. This is the demo? Oh no, yeah, this is the full. Well, what they mean? Like, what is this version? I got the one with Kobe on it, and like, whoa, this joint say it's a demo, and it says P4 lock. Yeah, hold on, cause they ain't about to do me like this. I don't know what, like, it's downloading the demo, right? But like, when I come over here to get the full game, it tells me I get, like, it says next generation. I don't know if like this is gonna be like the Kobe version of next gen or what, but god damn, y'all niggas can see all of me and shit. Confirm purchase. Yeah, I had to clip that right there. I didn't want y'all seeing all in my crib and all that. But I don't know why it's downloading the demo, but for some reason it is. But yeah, here's how it looks over here. This is on my main account. I need to go and add my other one. Look at the game library. These are all the games I had on my, I played at least on my other one, the ones that I had and all that. I think that should be it for the unboxing. Alright, that's gonna be it for the unboxing, man. I hope y'all enjoyed like the little, it's a little something, I ain't have the best type of setup and all that, but I'm small, you feel what I'm saying? I'm doing what I gotta do. You feel me? So like I said in the beginning of the video, hit that like button, comment to show your support, subscribe if you're new. Link in the description to my Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, and now my Discord. I just made one last week. I've been plugging it. I don't know why y'all niggas ain't following me over there. But my Instagram's a meme page. My Twitter's where y'all can interact with me at. My Twitch is where I want to start streaming, but I need people over there watching me stream and all that. So yeah, join my Discord. I'm trying to have like a little community going over there, you know what I'm saying? All right, that's gonna be it for the video, man. Peace.